Where can I get a used car inspection? Thinking about buying a used car? Before you make that final decision, it's smart to get the vehicle checked out by a professional. This helps you avoid surprises and keeps you safe on the road. So, where can you get a used car inspection? Let's go through some options. First, local mechanics or auto repair shops are a great place to start. They have the tools and experience to do a thorough check. Look for shops with good reviews and mechanics who know your type of vehicle. Many shops charge between $50 and $150 for a full inspection, which usually takes about an hour. Next, if you're buying from a dealership, they might offer a free inspection as part of the sale. But it's still a good idea to get an independent third-party inspection. This way, you get an honest opinion and can compare it with the dealer's report. Mobile inspection services are another option. Some companies send a certified technician right to your location. This is super convenient if you're busy or don't want to drive the car to a shop. These services typically cost around $100 to $200 and can be scheduled quickly. You can also visit state or local vehicle inspection stations. Many states requiring periodic safety and emissions checks, so they can do a basic used car inspection. However, these stations might not cover all the details you need for a used vehicle. If you know someone with mechanical knowledge, they can help with a simple visual check. Look for leaks, tire wear, brake condition, and fluid levels. But for a full, detailed inspection, it's best to relying on a professional. When choosing where to get your used car inspected, think about the cost, the inspector's experience, and what the report covers. A good inspection can save you money and keep you safe. It's worth investing in a thorough check before you drive off with your new ride. Remember, a little effort now can prevent big problems later.